fire, extinguish me. Yes, that's my fire. Be a fire, it can fire, extinguish me. Yes, it can fire, extinguish me. Yes, it can fire, extinguish me.
One light to light, give me lighter. Chevy, we on fire. Kenny big deal, Kenny big deal, Kenny big deal, Kenny big deal, Kenny white light to light, give me lighter. Chevy, we on fire. Kenny big deal, 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 Kenny big deal. I'm a bit chill, you know lip seal, cause of how things feel. They can't hold me, they can't fold me, they don't know me, not even an OZ. I need big money, I like clean money. You spend green money, I spend it like B money. They don't know better, tell me you flow better. You a slow fella, and I'm a go-getter. This is too messy, check out my new Bessie. You can wind down well, but are you ready? Doing your Uzi, it's like a movie. When I feel groovy, the game come out loosely. You might lose me when I cruise, babe.
Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to another vlog. My name is Naya. If it's your first time on this channel, please make sure you like, share and subscribe. Guys, today is my graduation vlog. Woo! Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited because finally after 4 years, like, I'm graduating today. So yeah, so come along with me. I'm going to be vlogging everything. Okay, not everything, because like 12 p.m. right now and I haven't actually started, like, I didn't vlog what I did earlier, but then I'm gonna start vlogging now. Okay, graduation is this evening. I actually booked a makeup artist, but she canceled last minute on me because she had like an emergency. She was so sad because I was really looking forward to that makeup artist doing my makeup. But anyways, now I have to do my makeup. Now I have to do my makeup myself. And yeah, so I'm just going to watch makeup tutorials and hopefully I can actually hack it. And yeah. Guys, my makeup is actually coming out nice and I like it. Okay, hi guys, so I am ready to go. So I just finished doing my makeup and my hair. Everything looks nice. Let me show you guys my actual outfit. So guys, this is my fit. My top is from Anike Ologe. She is a designer in Abuja. She's so good. Like, I literally love this. And then I'm just wearing black pants with it, which I also got from her. But yeah, let's go graduate.
Yeah, hang on, there's always on time. Oh my, oh girl, keep your head held tight. I can hear your cry, no lie. See, God never left your side. You will never lose, oh no, oh no. You will never lose, oh no, oh no. God is always on time. Oh my, oh girl, keep your head held high.
Ifunya Chadikobi Udezwe.
Girl, live your best life like you're supposed to. And trust God's time, you'll break through. What you mean you lost faith? God is faithful. Your life special, never let the devil break you. Ooh, and it's Christ you should run to. Girl, big up yourself, you deserve to. And never lose hope when it gets tough. Remember, no one got you like God does. Wanna see you win more, see you stress less. Pretty little thing, but you flawless. Baby girl, your skin popping, go ahead flex. Believe in yourself, girl, you're up next. I love to see you shine, see you progress. No else this year, only success. I love to see you shine, see you progress. Girl, you deserve the world.
Bye guys. That's all you have to say. Thank you for watching my graduation vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so excited to be part of it.
I've been gone for so long, you starving. I suggest you hold on, cause we starting. Ain't no need to give me steez or stalling, darling. Pause, I know you'd rather me be yours. Jaded view, you can recognize the flaws. For favorite view, you in lacy drawers. Pay per view, you know you bought it for. No, you don't accept.
Hi guys, welcome back to this vlog. Today's Saturday and today's my grad party with my friends.
Messy, natal feed don't rake my roll. I send a text to your phone when I'm ready to blow. Oh.
Congratulations, Naya. We love you. Love you so much. Congratulations, my beautiful Naya. So proud of you. I mean, this is only the beginning. Going greater, going higher. Congratulations.
What did they say?
Adios. Yeah.
1 month, 2 month, 3. You don't control the rest.
Yeah, I was saying I'm going to take to go when I'm going. I'm trying to get celebrate Naya after a long prayer. So long because we love you so much. Thank you for being such a good friend. And yeah, I love you. Happy graduation. Of course. So I'm just going to talk about I did one from the fringe, literally. When I was like this, we were very buckets, babe. Literally, we were very buckets, babe. We've been through a lot, like period. That's what I can say.
I'd like to say congratulations to Naya.
Thank
She
you.
is such an amazing friend with an amazing heart. Shut up. She's such an amazing friend with an amazing heart, and I pray that I thank God for making her to reach this milestone, and I pray that she shall continue to go from glory to glory. I'm so happy I got the opportunity to celebrate with you, and I pray I'll be able to many years. I would say happy graduation to Naya. She's been such an incredible friend, and I'm just so happy for her. I'm so happy that she's able to, go into this new phase of life, and I'm super excited for what God has in store for her in this new season. Love you, Naya.
Love you too.
Okay, head, knees, shoulder, knees, head, cup. makes no sense.
Wow, pretty
I actually had so much fun today. Thank you guys so much for coming.
Oh, so happy you had fun.
Yeah. So yeah, hope to see you guys soon.
Hopefully, sleepover.
We should do a video together.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Oh my god, I was thinking about that.
And it should be like, you guys should like come and sleep over and then we should do a video.
I think have like activities planned out. Like,
Yeah.
Just make a very fun filled video, not like just
Yeah, so guys, stay tuned for that.
Oh my god, coming soon.
You heard it here first.
If you haven't seen the video in 3 months, ask now.
Just know that we're not friends anymore. So guys, I had such a wonderful day with my friends.
Glad you did.
Thank you
Come
for
to the
watching.
end of the video. We have Big Grad per. If you wanna give her something, I'll put my can ask her for her Insta. Send her some money
because it's not easy.
It's not easy to be a graduate. What do you guys? What do you mean? Honors? Do you know what that is? I don't think you do. Sorry about that. And yeah,
thanks for watching.
don't forget to like, don't gas me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video.
And slam that notification bell.
We'll
and
see
turn
you
on your
in
post
the
notifications.
next video, guys.
Yes, bye.